I come to attend a funeral. A very close friend of mine lost his father-in-law, and the funeral is set for today, so I come to attend. And then I have to go and pay respect for my big friend. You say most time, but that is not true. Fertilizer has been available the last 2 years and is still available now. I know blending plants that have stock and they could not sell. So, but probably in the villages, sometimes if there are no proper distribution, it's really difficult. More especially the Presidential Fertilizer Initiative, the margin for the distributors is small, so that we can sell to the farmers at cheap price. So distributors don't want to seriously distribute. But I believe there is fertilizer, and we are working very hard to make fertilizer available for the next season, for this coming season.
As chairman of the NEC Committee on the Diversification of the Economy, he's worked very hard, and we have had opportunities to work closely. With the issue of fertilizer, the Auchi fertilizer plant is a compounded fertilizer blending facility. We have stock, so what he said is true. Because of high cost of transportation and the peg margins, sometimes distributors are not excited taking these fertilizers at the prices they've given them to the interiors. But having said that, it takes a while to diversify an economy. But he's one of those governors I know has that will, and he speaks up every time in our meetings on the need for us to begin to seriously move our economy away from its dependency on crude oil. And except we do that, things will be really tough for us.